Hello guys, it is Dale here, and today I'm going to talk about Euro British Pound. I'm going to do a day trading analysis of the Euro British Pound, and I'm going to do this mainly on the 30-minute chart, but we'll also have on the 5-minute chart. So let's check it out. Let's see what's going on the Euro British Pound. First, a couple of days ago, there was pretty strong uptrend starting in here. By the way, in here there's a strong support about which I was talking in one of the previous videos, but today I'd like to talk about a newly formed resistance, and that resistance formed in here at this place where the price turned from uptrend into a sharp sell-off. This is an important zone, this rejection of higher prices, because as I was saying, the price turned from uptrend into a new downtrend. Now, a lot of people do is they draw their resistance in here at the place where the price actually turned. But for me, this is not the most important place. For me, the most important place is the volume cluster, where the majority of trading took place before the price actually turned. So this is the most important zone for me, this volume cluster, right? Because it is telling us that sellers started to be aggressive here, they started to sell here, and they started to sell here a lot. That's what the volume profile shows us. And then they pushed the price downwards. So this is where the battle took place between buyers and sellers. Not in here. This is only the peak where the price turned, but this is the most important zone. Why I'm saying this is that the beginning of this heavy volume zone should work as a resistance, because aggressive sellers who are placing their shorts in here should defend this important zone, right? So that's why this should work as a resistance. So when there's a pullback, I expect a reaction to this resistance in here, and I expect those sellers from here to become active and push the price actively downwards from this place to defend this zone, which is clearly important for them. They won't be defending this zone because this is only where the price turned. They'll be defending this zone where they placed their shorts. Now, if you look at the volume profile here on the TradingView platform, it's a bit rough, but if you switch over to 5-minute time frame instead of the 30-minute time frame, it gets more detailed. This is how the TradingView platform works. So if you want to see more detail, then switch over to the 5-minute time frames. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let me scroll back a bit so you can see it. This is the rejection, right? And this is the significant volume zone I was talking about. As you can see, I have my resistance at the beginning of that volume zone, right? 0.8917. So this is where I think the price is likely to turn. What we need to do now is we need to wait for a pullback. It doesn't need to be today. Could be tomorrow or next week. It doesn't really matter. Markets have very good memory, so just wait for the pullback, and if there's no macro news concerning the euro or the British pound when the price makes it to this level, then you can trade it from there. Later today there is such macro news. It's coming up in 1 hour and 15 minutes roughly. It is this one. So that's a strong macro that will affect the British pound, and therefore it could also affect the euro British pound. So be careful trading around this macro news today, at least on the euro British pound. Later on there's also significant macro news, but that will be on the Canadian dollar. I expect the Canadian dollar to be pretty volatile today as a reaction to this CPI news, which is inflation, and which is very strong macro news. Alright, so that's about that. That's about my take on the euro British pound. And if you guys are interested in learning all about volume profile trading or order flow trading, then what I recommend is visiting my website, which is trader-dale.com, and clicking this button which says browse courses. And in here you can browse my courses. There are two. One focuses on volume profile trading. It is called the Elite Pack. Right here there's a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, it is a volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels that you'll be getting every day. Also volume profile indicators that I developed for various trading platforms. If you are interested in order flow trading, then there is the order flow pack. Again, there is a video which you can watch, and the order flow pack includes my custom-made order flow software, video course, and all my volume profile indicators for various trading platforms. Currently, I'm running a special sale on those packs, so if you purchase now, you'll get them 52% cheaper. Alright, so that's about that, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, here's a chat window, you can use that and we can have a nice little chat. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our trading courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.